So, dear students, let us do exercise 6.2 today. Question number 1 is, in figure 6.17, first part and second part, there are two parts of the first question. So, figures are given in your book. So, D is parallel to BC, you can very well see. D is parallel to BC, so I will draw the first part first. Let me take one triangle as given in the book. The name of the triangle given in the book is ABC, so I will also write down the same. ABC, DE, this is D and E. DE is parallel, this point is D and this is E. DE DE is parallel to BC. So find, in first part, find EC. We are to find EC. This part we are to find. Now, let us do it. Very simple. You can apply Thayer's theorem for that. Now, you can write given part yourself now. In the given figure, ABC is a triangle, D is parallel to BC. Okay? So, you can write now that yourself. I will write the solution only. Solution. What we are to find? Find AC, find EC and AD. EC, we are to find this EC. And this line is parallel to this line. It is given. Solution. DE is parallel to BC, given. D is parallel to BC, therefore AD over DB is equal to AE over EC by Thayer's theorem or BPT. BPT means by basic proportionality theorem. You can write any name, but being by Thayer's theorem, you can write this yourself also by Thayer's theorem. So substitute the values given. 1.5 is AD. 1.5 over BD. BD DB, that is 3 centimeter. This is 1.5 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter over EC. 1 over EC. Now, on cancelling, you will cancel this by 2. So, therefore, EC, on cross multiplying EC by 1, you will get EC, and 1 by 2, you will get 2. EC is equal to 2 centimeter. Now, question number 1 is second part we will do now. Here in the figure, ABC is a triangle. And this is parallel. The name of this line is DE. DE is parallel to BC. So I will draw the parallel lines here. Parallel symbols दिखा दिया. D is parallel to BC. find AD. We have to find AD. This is 7.2. BD is 7.2 centimeter. AD we are to find. AE it is 1.8. 5.4 centimeter. These are also centimeter. Now solution again. DE is parallel to BC given. Therefore, by Thales theorem, AD over DB is equal to AE over EC by Thales theorem. Now substitute the values. AD, you are to find AD over BD, it is 7.2 is equal to AE, it is 1.8 and it is 5.4. So on cancelling you will get 3. Therefore 3 into AD will be 3 AD is equal to 7.2. Therefore AD is equal to 7.2 over 3. On cancelling you will get 2.4 centimeter. Now let us do question number 2. Here in of question number 2, no figure is given in the book. We'll have to draw it ourselves. E and F are points on the sides PQ and PR respectively of a triangle PQR. So let us take a triangle PQR. No figure given. You have to draw yourself now. PQR is a triangle. Question number 2. PQ and PR respectively. E and F are points. E and F. E and F are points on the sides PQ. PQ, I have taken the point E on PQ and F on PR. Then E and F are points on the sides PQ and PR. For each of the following cases, state whether EF is parallel to QR. Now, in the first part, it is given, the given data is PE is equal to 3. I'll write here, PE is equal to 3.9 centimeter. EQ is equal to 3 centimeter. PE 3.9, EQ 3, PF 3.6, and FR is equal to 2.4. और हमने ये प्रूव करना है कि क्या ये लाइन इसके पैरेलल है या नहीं है. सो अगर पैरेलल है तो बताइए, अगर ये पैरेलल होती तो PE इज इक्वल टू, पहले दिया हुआ है ऑन द साइड PQ एंड PR, देन फॉर ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेट वेदर EF इज पैरेलल टू QR. नो, PE over EQ is equal to 3.9 over 3. On cancelling by 3, you will get 1.3 and 1 is equal to 1.3. 1.3, PE is 1.3 and EQ is 1. Now we'll see PF over FR. We'll find PF over FR is equal to, PF is how much? PF is 3.6 over FR. FR is 2.4. So on cancelling, you will get is equal to 36 over 10 into 10 over 24. So 10 cancel, 12 3 or 8 2. 3 is to 2. Now what do we see? PE. Therefore you can write PE over EQ is not equal to, that the ratio was 1.3 over 1. So it is 3 over 2. Ratio PE over EQ is not equal to PF over FR. Therefore, EF is not parallel to QR. Second part, the given data is PE is equal to 4 centimeter. QE 4.5. PF 8. And RF 9. Now, PE over EQ PE is 4, EQ is 4.5. PF over FR 8 over 9. Therefore, PE over EQ is equal to PF over FR is equal to 8 over 9. Therefore, EF is parallel to QR. Now, third part of question number 2. The given data is PQ is equal to 1.28. PR is equal to 2.6. PR is equal to 2.56 centimeter. PE is equal to 0.18 centimeter and PF is equal to 0.36 centimeter. It's the given data and we are to prove whether EF is parallel to QR. So let us see PE over PQ. PE is 0.18 over PQ, and PQ is 1.28. Now what I have written down, PE over PQ, substituted the value, 0.18 is PE and PQ is 1.28. So on removing the decimal, it will be 18 over 100 into 100 over 128. So this is cancelled. 2 9s are 2 6, 2 4 is equal to 9 over 64. 9 over 64 is PE over PQ. Now I see similarly PF over PQ. इधर पूरी लाइन ली थी तो पूरी ले लो. PF over PR is equal to, substitute the values. PF, how much is PF? 0.36 over PR, how much it is? 2.56. So it will come equal to 36 over 100 into 100 over 256. On removing the decimals, 100 cancels. So on cancelling by 4 9s are 4 6 4, this is equal to 9 over 64. Therefore, what do you see? 9 over 64 उधर भी है इधर भी है. It means PE over PQ is equal to PF over PR. Therefore, EF is parallel to QR by Thales theorem. Now let us do question 3. I have written there question 3. The figure of question 3 is given in the book, and that figure is 6.18. 6.18. So we have to take that figure. So I will draw that figure here on the blackboard as well. A, C, M, B, Now, let us do question 3. In figure 6.18, given in the book, the figure number is 6.18. It is given LM is parallel to CB. LM, this is LM. This is parallel to this line. And LN is parallel to CD. LN is parallel to CD. This and this are parallel, this and this are parallel. So prove that AM over AB AM over AB is equal to AN over AD. Now prove. In the given figure, पहला दिया है LM is parallel to CB. LM is parallel to CB. Therefore, AM over, this is AM over AB. AM over AB is equal to AL over AC. By Thales theorem. Similarly, Ln is parallel to CD. Given. Similarly, Ln it is given, it is parallel to CD. Therefore, AL over AC is equal to AN over AD. By Thales theorem. नौ बच्चों ऐसे कर सकते हैं, हम इसको दे दें नंबर 1 और इसको लिख दो नंबर 2. This is number 1 and this is number 2. Now, अब आप देखते हो AM over AB is equal to AL over AC, but AL over AC is equal to AN over AD. तो इसका मतलब है दोनों में AL over AC कॉमन हो गया, कट गया. This over this is equal to this. Therefore, from first and second, AL over AB is equal to AL over AC. AL over AC is equal to this. So AM over AB is equal to AN over AD. Hence proved.